In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get bundles here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to do this, what you need to do is open up the in-game shop within Sailor Piece itself. And you can actually buy some bundles directly, but most are actually earned in-game just through playing the game itself. Now to get bundles though, by purchasing them, you just open this up, go to the bundle section just like so, and there's a bunch of these bundles. It goes all the way down to right down here before products. It's going to show you pretty much everything in here. And you can purchase any of these, and these do change pretty significantly. For example, like when they add new items, like I guess for example, like the Great Mage and the Mage outfit, you could purchase it directly in here. But to get bundles without buying, you need to travel to the different islands, and each island has different bosses that drop these different items. Like the Great Mage is all on Easter Island. A lot of the new stuff is going to be in C2. And you could also go to Boss Island and use the Boss Exchange NPC over here to get even more weapons available as well. But that is the full process just like so. Just keep repeating this process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.